Peace, family. Let's get right into the market update. They are selling, and let's take a look where they're selling at. Let's go. If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That gives you access to all of the future content. What we do here every single week, and in this video, we review the market. So this is the stock market update, and this is how we protect our money. So join us, all right? Let's do what we do. First thing, let's check out the futures. The futures right now are indicating a pretty flat open, all right? We're down in the S&P 3,652 is what we're currently looking at. That's only about a shade over 0.5%, all right? But here's the thing, family. The market is selling, okay? The market is selling, and they are selling aggressively. If you take a look at the chart right now, okay, we've already identified this pattern, which indicated the continuing of the sell. If we take a look at the 3 most recent weeks, we pushed higher and sold off towards the end of the week. We pushed higher, pushed lower. We were very indecisive there, and we pushed higher this time and sold off yet again. This is the same candle that we've seen. We got towards this mark, which I've identified at 3,800. That is the line in the sand. If we get above that, that's when we consider that the market is trying to continue to move higher. But right now, as we see, as we get higher to that level, we are selling off. The market is selling. This is your clue. All right. If you look at the other indexes, which we will do right now, we look at the the Dow. We take a look at the Dow, we're doing the same exact thing. All right. 30,216. If we take a look at the most recent candles here, we sold off, indecisive, we moved higher and sold off yet again. The only positive signal that we have right now is that we are continually moving higher as far as our closes are concerned. The warning is that we are still selling. We are at the level that we fell from, and we continue to sell at that level. If you look at the rest of the market here, let's take a look at the Russell, which is the canary in the coal mine. We're at 1,700. I've mentioned that same that same price continuously, right? Moved higher, indecisive, moved higher and fell, and we're back in that same range that we were at when we originally started to move higher. This is the warning shot, but we'll continue to look at other stocks and check that out. Lastly, let's look at the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq futures are also showing the same signs here. Give me my price. There we go. 10,983. We are down about 1% on the Nasdaq, as we can see. And once again, last 3 candles, we moved higher, sold off. This one actually closed lower. We moved higher again and sold off. All 4 of the futures right now are showing sell, sell, sell. Sell, sell, sell. We are selling. The market is getting rid of stocks, okay? There are going to be more bargains coming, I believe, and we will have lower prices, and we will continue on with what those prices will be, because we will take a look at our favorite stocks, all right? And that is going to be Apple. Take a look first. 143.39. Okay, 143.39 is what Apple recently closed at. It's around 142-ish right now. As we zoom in, what do we see? Do we see selling? We see selling. Just like in the futures. We saw that we had a move higher 3 weeks ago. We had indecisive action just last week. And then this week, we moved higher, and we are struggling to hold those highs. There is continuing selling. Each stock is showing you that they are taking their gains at the heights, the current heights that we've recently fallen from. That's Apple. Let's take a look at Amazon. Amazon is likely going to be doing the same thing. AMZN 115.25 was the most recent close price. Round one, shade under 114 right now. So we're pretty flat as far as the futures are concerned. When we take a look closer, what do we got? Same thing, family. Sell, struggles to hold the highs, comes back down to where it started from. Struggles to hold the highs, comes back down. We closed lower, we popped, and then we are back again. Same thing. Sell, struggling to hold the highs, and we are coming back down. This week's close is going to be critical to show everybody what the market is, even though they're already giving you all the signals there that they are selling. That's Amazon. Let's look at Meta, which just recently reported earnings. We're going to see a gap down, 131.53 right now in the aftermarket or pre-market, 126-ish. Okay, we are still defending that support, which I do like. Remember, family, if this fails, the next price target that we have is around this $100 area. Okay, that's the next safest price target that I see. Even though we have a little bit here, not too much to defend around that 115, but we also have 100, which has more support than that level. All right, Meta, if we take a look closer, what do we see? Sell, family. Red, 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 red. Red rum, red rum. All over the place. Selling is occurring. All right, that's Meta. Let's take a look at Netflix, which recently popped higher and is also struggling to hold its highs currently. Okay, 268.16. We did bust out of that box that we've discussed for multiple weeks while it was trading in range, and now we are in a potential new range. All right, we want to see how this week closes. If we all of a sudden fall from the heavens, that's obviously not a good sign. But if we continue to hold strong, Netflix could continue to move and hit that price target of around 300. I don't know. I'm going to just say I'm going to wait for the week to close. Because why? If you look at my last video, I learned from my error, which is wait for the week to close. Right now, things look good. 268 is above that 250. We want to see that strong close this week. All right, that's Netflix. Let's take a look at Tesla, the almighty Tesla. What are we at? 207.28, indicating lower right now around 204.5. We see family. All right, first and foremost, I want to alert you right now. Okay, this is about Tesla. We see a potential head and shoulder pattern right here. We got one shoulder, one huge head, and another shoulder, and we are coming close to what that neckline is. That neckline bust. Ooh wee. We're talking about a downslide for Tesla. Right now, my price target is still around that 190 area. It's only because this is where it took off from before. So eventually, especially in technical analysis, what goes up must come down. We have to test the ground level. That is around 190. I think Tesla will still make it to that price point. If we want to look at what is recently going on, sell, 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 sell. And then this week we have what? A push higher, and we've sold off, and we're back near where we started at last week. Not looking good, ladies and gentlemen. Tesla price target is still 190. Let's move along and let's take a look at our last one here. Google. All right, Google 99.97. We've hung tight around 100 as of recently. I still like this stock. I really do. I like it much better at around 85.90. But 100 is still a great entry. And if we take a look, are they selling on Alphabet, aka Google? Yep, you see it right here. They moved higher, sold off. Very strong red candle here, and then we moved higher and yet again sold off. And this is still in the bear flag formation that we've discussed all week. So, ladies and gentlemen, family, how did I do? What's going on? What you trading out there? What do you have in your portfolio? If you want me to take a look, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit me in the comments. All right, that thumbs up goes a long way. Yo, hit that like and share this with your friends, because this is what we do. We get busy every single week. We take a look at the market and we do our best to protect our money, because there's nobody going to do it better than you. And I'm going to empower you on how to do that. All right. So make sure you check me out tonight live with my guy, Debt Free Dad. We're going to have a nice discussion about technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and just over charts, period. But then we're going to talk about life, because all of this here is great. I'm glad that I get a chance to connect with you about this, but this is overall about life. We do all this because we want to have a better life family, life. This is what we're talking about, all right? Speaking of life, make sure you take care of yourself. Health is wealth. That's the gym back there. I put that in the back every single time just to let you know I'm regular just like you. I'm no different than you. You can definitely take care of yourself, all right? Drink your water, get your exercise, spend time with people that you love, and we'll catch you next time, all right? Peace.